Time for another spin of the Wheel of Justice. We team up with the Jacksonville Sheriff's Office each week to help get wanted fugitives off our streets. Alyssa Bujeda with JSO is here, so let's get right to it. No captures to talk about today. So our featured suspect is Mr. Matthews.
Carl Matthews. Everybody look at this face. He is wanted for sexual battery. He has a $100,000 bond, 5 feet 9 inches tall, 190 pounds, and 27 years old. His last known address is in the 1600 block of 20th Street in Jacksonville, but we want everybody in the Clay County area to be aware he is known to be in the area of Green Cove Springs in the 1300 block of Love Drive. So Jacksonville and Clay County, be on the lookout. Carl Matthews, he's wanted for sexual battery.
Let's go ahead and spin the wheel. All these faces will be on newsforjax.com later in the day. Again, if you see any of these suspects who are on the wheel, our featured suspect, don't confront them yourself. Call Crime Stoppers or JSO. We will give you the number coming up. And the wheel comes to a stop here on Mr. Smith.
Deon Anthony Smith, he's wanted for fleeing or eluding a police officer in 5 counts of leaving the scene of a traffic crash. A $110,000 bond, 5 feet 6 inches tall, 142 pounds, and 37 years old. Last known address, 621 University Boulevard in Jacksonville. If you know the whereabouts of Deon Smith, call Jacksonville Police or Crime Stoppers.
And that Crime Stoppers number is 866-845-TIPS. Melissa, thank you.
Thank you.
It's always appreciated.